Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and in this video I'll be showing you how to switch 5G off or on the Xiaomi 15T Pro. Because the Xiaomi 15T Pro is running HyperOS, Xiaomi's Android distribution, this method should also work with all recent Xiaomi, Poco and Redmi devices, so bear that in mind. I'm going to go into the settings menu, and the way I do it is pull down from the right of the screen and then click the settings button in the quick settings. Once you're in the settings menu, go to your mobile networks, select the SIM card you want to make the changes on. In this case I'm going to choose my Smart eSIM, and then in the second panel from the top you have the option of preferred network type. Tap on that and then you get given two options: 5G, 4G, 3G, 2G, which includes 5G, and then 4G, 3G, 2G, which obviously doesn't have 5G. Tap on the 4G icon and your phone will only connect to 4G networks from then on. Please bear in mind that things will change if you swap SIM cards, but just to show you, that's the menu where to do it. And likewise, if you want to switch 5G back on, pull down from the notification shade on the right, go to the settings icon, mobile networks, select your SIM card, preferred network type, and I'm going to switch 5G back on. There you go. So that was a quick tutorial on how to switch 5G off or on the Xiaomi 15T Pro. And if you had any issues with that, if it's not working for you, please do leave us a comment in the section below and we'll do our best to get back to you. As usual, if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, anything we think makes the travel experience better. But for now, thanks for watching if you made it this far into the video. Goodbye from me.